This is Oliver Slope with Blue Line Futures coming to you from the floor of the CME with your livestock roundup. We've seen a kind of a choppy trade here over the past couple of sessions in the live cattle and feeder cattle market as we anticipate this afternoon's cattle on feed report and tomorrow's cold storage. On top of that, we're kind of in the middle of a holiday trade as well, but the technicals remain relatively friendly. We saw a breakdown of that on Monday, but buyers stepped in on trendline support as well as a key Fibonacci retracement around 121.25. We got back up. Now, if we get a friendly fundamental catalyst to get us out above recent contract highs, 123.90, I think this market can really run. But again, a lot of market participants kind of sitting on their hands waiting to see what this afternoon's numbers come in as. As far as the cash trade goes, there hasn't been a whole lot. 120 is kind of what traders are anticipating, but still, I think a lot of the cash trade is also waiting on the cattle on feed numbers. So that's what we're looking at here to go into tomorrow's session. As far as the feeder cattle are concerned, we held 145.45 earlier in the week. This is a 50% retracement, or basically the middle of the range over the past several months. We think that represents decent opportunity and decent value. Remember, price is what you pay, value is what you get. I think you can find that down there. The bulls really want to see a close out above 147.75. If they can achieve this, I think we start to see some short covering from the funds accelerate this market back above 150. Now, moving over and finishing things up with the lean hog market. Lean hogs have kind of rolled over significantly over the past week, and really just a lot of long liquidation. We know funds had a decent sized net long position coming into the week. They have definitely tightened that up. I think there's decent value down here, but again, there's not a whole lot of technical support below 62 for that February contract. If we break and close below 62, that opens the door to sub 60s. But from a risk reward standpoint, it might be worth a shot so long as you manage your risk appropriately. So that's what we're looking at to wrap up the week. That's what you should be looking at too. It's been Oliver Slope with Blue Line Futures from the floor of the CME.